Unleash the power of knowledge and connect with the heartbeat of the African diaspora. Download our African Diaspora News Channel app now on Google Play and Apple App Store. Stay informed with authentic and diverse perspectives, breaking news, and cultural insights. Immerse yourself in a community that celebrates unity, resilience, and progress. Experience the vibrancy of the diaspora at your fingertips. Don't miss out. Empower your perspective today. Search African Diaspora News Channel and join the conversation.
The Government of National Unity in South Africa, a controversial proposal. My name is Vuyo Mgwelo, coming from Johannesburg for the African Diaspora News Channel. Let's talk about the idea of the Government of National Unity in South Africa that has sparked a heated debate. President Cyril Ramaphosa has hinted of forming a coalition government to address political and economic stability. However, many argue this approach will disproportionately harm Black South Africans and primarily benefit the elite, leaving marginalized groups further disenfranchised. How a GNU could harm Black South Africans? Let's take it. Number one, widening the economic inequality. The Government National Unity might prioritize the interests of corporations and wealthy elites, sidelining policies aimed at addressing historical injustices and poverty. Black South Africans, who remain the majority in the impoverished communities, will be the most affected. Number two, the erosion of Black empowerment of policies. Economic redress policies like Black Economic Empowerment, which is the BEE, and land distribution could be the deprioritized under a coalition government that includes the Democratic Alliance, which is the DA, a party often criticized for opposing such initiatives. Number three, it will be the loss of political representation. A coalition with ideologically diverse parties risk diluting the voices of Black majority instituencies. Decisions could favor those with economic power rather than the broader electorate. Number four will be the disenfranchisement of the working class. Black workers, the backbone of South Africa's economy, may face reduced protections if the GNU leans towards the neoliberal policies that prioritize business interests over labor rights. The last one will be undermining transformation goals. So the Government of National Unity could stall or reverse critical progress in dismantling systematic racism and addressing the apartheid era inequalities as compromise between parties that may overshadow transformation priorities. That is what is the GNU and why does the Government of National Unity may not work in South Africa. The historical failures of similar models, examples of the GNU in London, we've shown that such coalitions often collapse due to ideological differences. South Africa's polarized political landscape would likely lead to similar instability. I'm going to leave you with two, which is the deep social division, which South Africa's racial and economic disparities that make consensus government difficult. Trust between communities and political factions is too fractured for a unified government to function effectively. Let us know, what do you think of the Government of National Unity that is happening in South Africa, with a lot of speculations happening between the ANC and the DA that are fundamentally opposing views of economic policy. Leave your comments right down below, like, subscribe, and let's talk about this on the next one. My name is Vuyo Mgwelo, all the way from Johannesburg for the African Diaspora News Channel.